spoken, made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the mag.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Born in June. How you doing or whatever? I take off the glasses real quick. So I wanted to talk to you guys about having multiple emergency funds. Yeah, I don't know why I did that, but I personally have multiple emergency fund, and I have accounts in like a couple different places. I have savings in a couple different places. You know, it helps me, and I keep them separated. Some by bank accounts, and some actually by just having cash on me. One of those that you guys saw was the $100 that I kept in my purse. I always have this. Well, I'm not saying always because I spent it a couple of weeks ago. Let's just be real. Most of the time I have this money simply because like I don't know when something's gonna hit. I don't know when there's an emergency. I don't know when there's something that I'm gonna have to pay for that I did not account for. But these are literally mainly emergencies that I use that $100 for. Obviously my birthday was not an emergency, but it is what it is, and I replaced it after my parents gave me my birthday money. So I, you know, put that money back. So technically my parents paid for my birthday. But yeah, I've never used that $100. I've always kept it on me, like it's always been there, and excuse me, it's been there so long probably that I even forgot sometimes that I do have that $100, because I literally work off of what I can see in my purse, and that's it, that's all. So that's one thing that I do. The second thing is my 10K challenge, which is, you know, my second emergency. Like if this one is the big one, like if there's anything that I need to do like that is emergency, like I just couldn't afford it unless I have it, like a car repair or something, or car tires or something like that, then yes. I know I have my car maintenance, but my car maintenance is new, one, and it's about to be depleted because I'm gonna have to pay for some stuff for my car Friday. I have repairs. I have to get my brakes changed on my car, and I have to get a oil change on my car as well. It's that time. So those two things for a fact have to be done. So, and I'll save for those. So it's not a car issue, but my car maintenance, once we get there, that will help. So that's my second emergency. My third one is basically sinking funds. I have a car like envelope that you guys see, like car maintenance, for anything that could happen with my car. You know, things tend to happen, and right now my car is my only thing that I have that is kind of like I couldn't afford it if shit was hit the fan. Another thing that I need to create one for is for a computer, because like my computer said, no ma'am, we out, we off shift, we clocking out, pay us our check, and we gone. I've been paid that check, but we out. Like we've been overworked and underpaid. I was like, no ma'am. But it's also been 5 years, and my MacBook just decided that it is what it is, we out. So yeah, that's a thing too. So, you know, sinking funds, they really help. They are here to, you know, keep you on track, make sure that you don't have a mini panic, a little heart attack when, you know, shit hits the fan when you weren't expecting it. So definitely sinking funds as a third emergency that you guys can have, right? And then my fourth one is just my regular schmegular little savings account. Okay, so I keep cash on me, I keep cash in the bank, I keep cash on me, and I keep cash in the bank, right? And as you guys see, my 10K challenge is on me right now, but once I am basically completed the challenge, I'm putting it in my savings account in the bank. And then I also have a separate savings account in the bank. I'm not always going to be at home to be able to, you know, directly access the money that is there so I can do those emergency things. That won't be it, you know, that won't happen. And the only reason why my 10K emergency has not already been like put in the bank is literally for y'all purposes, to ensure that y'all see this money, because I don't want to be taking it out, putting it back in, taking it out every 2 seconds, right? Once it gets to the 5K that I'm hoping for, once it gets to the 5K that I need it to be, then I'm gonna start putting it in the bank, and I'm gonna explain to my teller. My tellers know, they know who I am. I've been here now for two years. I've been here now for a while in Korea, and so they know me, they know what I'm doing. I always explain to them what it is, because I don't want them to think that I'm just doing some randomness with money, like, nah, sis. So they know exactly what I'm doing, and I always come with the little envelope, and they be like, oh, where'd you get this? This helps so much. I'm like, yes, sis, I got you. I know what I want, and I got you. So those little cards that let them know what you're taking out of the bank really help. And I am very specific in what I want, so it really helps. But yeah, once I get to that 5K amount, I'm gonna put it in the bank. But like I said, that 5K is not always gonna be on me. And so I need to make sure that wherever I'm at in the world, I'm able to get to that money and able to do what I need to do. So, with that being said, having that money in the bank to be able to access anywhere is phenomenal. So that is my 4th place that, or my 4 emergency fund that I would keep. I have one that's on me. I have my 10K that is I'm saving for, that is technically on me still. Number 3 is my sinking funds, and then number 4 is actually my bank account. I'm nothing against banks. I'm nothing against putting my money in banks. It's just now that I'm saving, and you guys see my cash envelopes, I'm just saving in my cash envelopes. Once it gets to like a certain amount of coins on me, your girl's gonna be putting it in the bank. Don't get it twisted, because no ma'am, we can't be affording to losing all this. And there's different accounts, different saving things that I have to, as you guys see, like with my budget, I now have a McCord fund, because that is the base your girl is planning to go to. We're speaking into being McCord Air Force Base in Washington State. So, yeah, that's all I have. This was a random quick video in my car at lunch, y'all. In my car at lunch, I just thought about it and figured like this would be some great information for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, and make sure you click that subscribe button, guys, because I am trying to become one. I'm so excited. I've stayed so consistent with this channel, and it's because I finally found what I really love talking about. Just saying. So yeah, like I said, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. These spirit hands, baby, you can get this. Clap, clap. Okay, I watch. Have y'all seen anything? Anyways, but spirit fingers, y'all. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't